Yeah. I welcome you for this introduction session for preparation for written test for South Indian Bank, Federal Bank, ICICI Bank, almost all banks, more or less similar examination. And since you have time, only few days time before you, I am giving you only model papers which if you go through, you will have a fair idea of what is the standard of questions that will be asked in the test.
Okay, sir.
Accordingly, I have given you one paper, that is one model paper. What I have given you is now I am showing you on the screen.
Mm.
It depends. In your bank college examination, maybe they will conduct the test only for 75 questions or for
Okay.
150 questions. So do
Okay.
not believe what I have given you, but go through the instructions given by your bank's pamphlet.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But mostly the paper will be 100% similar to what I am giving you. First type of questions will be English, and
Mm.
in this, the questions, first type of questions will be comprehension. That is, a passage will be given. You have to read the passage quickly, understand the passage, then follow and answer the questions given below that. Next, you will have fill in the blanks like this. Fill in the blanks, followed
Mm-hmm.
by here this is like this. In each of the sentences, few words are given in bold. They may or may not be arranged in proper sequence.
Mm.
Choose the sequence that makes the sentence grammatically and contextually meaningful. So, for example, there is a dipped for optimism in India's battle. So, but maybe it will not come in that way. You have to find out which will fit into that. There
Okay.
is a reason for optimism. That seems to be correct. B, mostly B, C, D, E may be the answer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Mm.
like this, that first one word itself gets me a clue for the answer. Maybe let me check up whether that is the answer or not. Correct, B. First one
Oh,
only, but from that I could get it. I am not remembering what I have seen earlier, but by adopting that strategy, you can decide. But just because I decided that B, I should not be fully carried. I cannot be carried away by that B only. I should go through the other choices also. C, D, A to check up whether it is coming correctly. Okay.
okay.
Don't be misled by the first answer or the second answer. You should see all the three. Because instead of giving a B, C, D, A, they may give B, D, C, A, B, A, D, C like that. Okay. Then
Okay,
please,
sir.
next one. What is this type of question? Three sentences are given in each question. Find the
Mm.
sentences which are grammatically correct.
Mm-hmm.
So you will have to go through them and find out which is correct. Maybe one only will be correct, or two also can be correct, or none can be correct. Okay.
Mm.
This
Mm.
type of questions you have to go through. Next one, arranging the sentences in order, paraphrasing. That is, yeah, what has to be told first must be told first. What is to be told in the end must be told in the end. So accordingly, you have to rearrange the sentences in order. Okay.
Okay.
Then based on that, questions will follow. And the next one is, please read this direction 28 to 30.
In each question, three sentences corresponding to a single idiom or phrasal verb. Choose sentences that correct usage of the given idiom.
Hmm. What is
Take
the
off.
meaning of take off? Take off means
La,
going up,
like aeroplane. Yeah.
landing, take off. Not only that, it can mean other areas also. The business
Leaving.
has is taking off. That means it is progressing like that. I will
Mm-hmm.
take off now and see you later. The plane will take off in 20 minutes. That is the correct one. The doctor
Yeah.
gave me tablets to take off the pain. That is not correct. So
Mm-hmm.
only B will be the correct answer. Likewise. So you have to decide what is the answer for that. And why
Okay.
I am stressing so much importance on English is that in the paper that is given to you, this is the only area where it will be easy for you to score, and the time taken also will be less.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas the next aspect is quantitative aptitude.
Mm.
Here, the questions will be, there will be questions on data interpretation. That is,
Mm.
some data will be given in the form of graph or table based on which you have to answer them. Then there will be questions like this: X is greater than Y or
Mm.
equal to Y. You have to find out, you have to simplify X and also simplify Y and find out then whether it is greater than or equal to or less than or like that, five choices. You have to decide that. You have to carefully go through that. A practice only will help you get success. Please work out all the questions given by me in the model papers, at least
Okay.
two model papers.
Okay, sir.
I have given you 5 or 6 model papers. You may not have time. So at least work out 2 or 3 model papers of probationary officer. You are going for PO or clerical level.
Probationary officer, sir.
Then please go through PO level papers only. Clerical level may
Okay.
not be required for you. This is another type of question.
Okay, sir.
And apart from this, this is again data based. Then you may
Mm-hmm.
have simple word problems like this. P and Q started a business. An investment of Q is 25% more than P. After 6 months, P doubled his investment. Q withdrew 1/3 of his investment. That is not correct. Here, withdrew how much percentage we have to see. 1 minute. We will see in the
Okay.
answer. We will see in the answer. I think there is some mistake in the question. It has been worded equation comes all places. Something is
Mm-hmm.
missing. Doesn't matter. Leave that question. Whatever is not understandable, leave them. Go for the next question. Okay,
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Then like this, word problems will be there. The ratio of radius. So for quantitative aptitude to succeed, you must have number one, tables up to 20 by heart.
Oh.
Most of us will not be able to do it. For example,
Mm.
if I ask 16 square, you will tell me. If I ask 19 square, you won't be able to tell me immediately. You will require a
Yes.
calculator or some paper. It should not be so. You must be good in tables up to 20,
Mm-hmm.
squares up to 50,
Mm.
cubes up to 25, and
Mm.
all the formula for square, rectangle, circle, sphere, then cube, anything, whatever it is, so many things. You just find
Mm.
mensuration formula that will give you. And apart from that, you must be thorough with percentages, then averages, and all this. For example, percentage means normally if I ask you what is 16 and 2 by 3 percentage of 6,000 rupees, what is the answer you will give me?
No, I don't know, sir.
One, so that you must be having in your mind. 50%
I'm
means
really weak in maths, seriously.
50% means divide by 2.
Mm.
25% means divide by 4. 33
Mm.
1/3% means divide by 3.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Then divide by 5 means 20%. Divide by 6 means 16 and 2 by 3%. So 6,000 divided by 6 is equal to 1,000. Like that, you should try to work out shortcuts for you and be familiar with these questions. And in this paper, unless you are sure, you are requested not to mark the answer.
Okay.
Because you have negative marking. If you score one question correct, you will get 1 mark. And if you commit one mistake, not only you will not get 1 mark, they will deduct 0.25 mark from whatever marks you have scored. So similarly, in the case of GK, in the case of English, reasoning, maths and all that, please answer only if you are 60% confident about the answer. Next is reasoning. This, I think, have you seen this type of questions earlier?
Like on
Most,
K.
huh? Have you come across?
Yeah, K-Math and math exams I have come across.
Acha, very good. Then no problem. You please work out the level will not be very tough. It will be easy only. Work out those questions. Next
Like
comes, yeah, hello.
Can you explain like statement one is correct? Like what some questions are there like statement like correct and incorrect. Like I don't know what should we do about that.
1 minute here. 6%. This is word. This is known as puzzle. This much tough question may not be there. Slightly easier question will be there. You will have to understand them and then work out the answer. Yeah, 1 minute. Hello. Good morning. Yes, please. Pardon? It is given as 1,348. Na? Or maybe now they have revised. It's okay. No problem. No, but what we were talking is only what we saw in the website. Anyhow, if it is revised, you send me the revised one. I will tell them. Yeah. Or you post in our group itself. That will be better. When is your interview? Very good. Thank you. Yeah. So this is one. And I think what you are asking is about another type of question. This one.
Oh yeah, only 1 and 2 follow. Yeah, this one.
This is known as syllogism. This is known as syllogism. Here you have to practice by working out exercises. And normally I used to demonstrate this by while working on the board. We will draw some pictures, circles, and all that. If you want pattern of that, what we can see is we can see online syllogism questions explained and try to find on the net. Okay. Here they are giving you what are the testbook.com solved examples. They are giving you what are the examples for this basic syllogism. But like this, see, like the statements, all A or B, definite conclusion, all A or B, some A's are B, some B's are A. Possible conclusion, like that. You please try to read this, then only you will be able to understand. I am not able to explain you now, but only practice, practice, practice. See, syllogism practice questions. statements, some cats or rats, all bats or tables,
Mm.
all rats or bats. So if you do like this, what will happen? The picture, you know what you have to do. Some cats and rats, you will put one circle, and cutting that portion of that circle will be another one. That is rats. I will show you. But whether it will be seen properly on the screen, I am doubtful. For example, some cats or rats. This is cats. This is rats. I don't know whether
Ah,
you are able to
yes,
see.
sir. I can see. I can see.
So this is cats, this is rats.
Ah.
Then all bats are tables, all rats are bats. So what we have to do, all rats are bats. That means the circle will come like this.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sir.
Next one, all bats are tables. So that means covering that another one will come. That is known as tables.
Mm-mm-mm. Okay.
Now, if I am right, I will get the answer. I don't know, but let us see. Here, the
Mm.
choices given are some cats or bats. Some cats or bats. Yes, that will come correctly. All bats or rats. All bats or all bats or rats. No, that is not correct. Some bats are only rats. All tables are cats. All tables or cats are wrong. All
Yes.
bats or cats. All bats or cats. That is also wrong. So
Mm.
in my view, I think some cats or bats correct. All bats or rats. These two correct. In my view, 1 and 2 is correct. I don't know what is the answer explanation they have given. They have given differently for none of these.
Mm.
They have drawn. They have also drawn like this, cats, rats, and all that. But then why they say 1 and 2 will not follow? Um, all bats or rats. All are wrong. No. All bats or rats is wrong. So only one is correct. Such an answer is not given. That is why
Mm.
the answer is none of these.
Okay, sir.
So I would give you this one. I will give you this one in
Mm.
your this thing. You please go through that and try to find out some model papers, how they are worked out and all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, where is my question paper I have given? This one. Yeah. So likewise, this has to be worked out. And it is only, let me tell you honestly, it cannot be done within 2 or 3 days. It has to be
Mm.
done on a, if you are fully having time, if you concentrate thoroughly, you will succeed.
Mm.
And you must have belief, I am going to succeed, and
Mm-mm-mm.
work out like this. Okay. That is how
Okay.
it has to be done. And then for some general knowledge, what they will ask, nobody knows. This
Mm.
is what, whatever you know, you answer. What is the capital of Chhattisgarh?
I don't know.
You don't know.
No.
That is Raipur. Who is the chief finance minister of India?
Um, I don't know.
Babre
Mm.
Bab. This type of simple questions and all they will ask. If you don't
Uh,
know, leave them blank and come. That's all.
okay.
What is the capital of Switzerland?
Um,
Babre Bab. These things you must know, but you must try to answer. And if you
uh,
prepare answer properly and come out successful, then you will have to go for group discussion, for which
mm.
you will come to me. And after group discussion, and also, I think it is simultaneous. All of you will be taking interview also. There is no question of selection in the case of Federal Bank, it is like this. GD one round, next round interview. Here, I think all of you will go for GD and interview. So I will, you will join me for a class. Then I will conduct and two mock interviews for you. I will conduct a few GD classes for you. I will give you video of GD classes also so that you can read and prepare. So this is
Okay, sir.
what it is. So very good. Best wishes. God bless you. I was trying to explain to you in detail. I told you 10 minutes. I think it has taken nearly half an hour. The reason is when I play it again for others, it must be useful for them. So if anybody is interested going for South Indian Bank probationary officer, they can contact me. WhatsApp number 90030375557. Send payment of rupees 200 to Gpay, same number. Send a screenshot. I will send you only the model papers for use now. Otherwise, with me, lot of materials are there which can be used for, say, over a year. So there is no point in giving them to you. That is why I'm giving you only the model papers. So best wishes. If you have some friends, you can tell them so that they can contact me. And if 3 or 4 of you join together, every day we will sit together for half an hour for some English or for some reasoning or for some GK. It depends.
Okay, sir.
If we have 4 people, then I will join and conduct. It depends. But if we are going to tell them, nobody will come mostly. They will tell, why are you asking me to join? Come on, give me the questions.
Yes.
That is what they will do. Good. What is your name? Devika. Devika means
David.
Devika was a cinema actress in Tamil Nadu few years ago.
Uh,
You know that? You know that? No.
no, sir. You're from Tamil Nadu?
Yeah, I am from Tamil. I am in Chennai
Oh,
only. I am
okay,
only
okay.
in Chennai. You are now staying where?
I'm from Kerala, Alappuzha.
Alappuzha. Acha, acha, acha. Tamil தெரியுமா தெரியாதா?
கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம்.
நல்லா பாடுவியா?
பாடு song.
Songs. You will sing that. Normally, most of the girls, they sing very well. So I will
But
switch.
my sound is not good, so I
No,
won't sing. I only dance.
1 minute. I will switch off the camera, switch off the record.